I felt like I betrayed myself. Ang sama-sama ko. Madali bang maging Christian? Ako kung tatanungin nyo, hindi rin. Pinag-usapan namin ng wife ko ni Donna, sabi namin, paggising na paggising sa umaga, wala mo ng phone. Sabi ko, Saturday naman. Paggising ko, kinuha ko yung phone ko. Tapos, nag-scroll lang. Tapos may isang oras na. Sino sa inyo na mahilig sa doom scrolling dito? You know the feeling when you do that act, pagkatapos mong gawin, ang sama ng loob mo. Yung feeling mo, grabe. Akala ko ba Christian ka? Tas ganun yung ginawa mo. That was how I felt. So what I did, sabi ko, sige, maligo na nga lang ako. So I took a bath. After that, sabi ko, si Tart, gusto mo ba akong samahan maglakad? And then naglakad lang kami. Yun kasi ginagawa namin everyday. And then, sobrang down ko pa rin nung time na yun. Sabi ko, I felt like I betrayed myself. Ang sama-sama ko. But you know what? As I was walking, nakita ko yung wife ko. Sabi ko, I have a beautiful wife. Sabi ko, praise God. And then naglalakad na naman ako. Naalala ko, 4 times na ako nakapag-gym this week. Okay naman pala. Tapos naalala ko na naman habang naglalakad ako, this is my 7th day walking. Hanggang one gratitude after another, one gratitude after another. And then that's when I realized, you see, when that happens pala, it's important to go back to the source, to go back to God. And when I say God, it's an acronym. G stands for, what are you grateful for? So if you felt that way, if you're feeling that way, ask yourself, G, ano yung grateful ako today? And then O, what do you want to offer to the Lord? For me, I told myself, sige, i-offer ko tong suffering na to. I-offer ko yung work ko today. And then that led me to the next one, which is declaration. That was when I told myself, I am loved by the Lord. I am loved by the Lord. If you also feel that way, just go back to God. Look at the things that you're grateful for. See something that you can offer to Him and make that declaration.